Today we try to reach our limits. We try to test in 3 different clamping systems. The same tool. The tool is end mill full carbide, 40 mm diameter. We try to clamp it in 3 ways. So it's the ear system, then power grip by REGO-FIX, and then we have heat shrink by HAIMER.
Dziś w firmie EDBA zaprezentowaliśmy m.in. system mocowania termopłuczliwego, przedstawiliśmy zasady działania, jego główne zalety oraz przeprowadziliśmy testy na maszynach CNC.
The key parameters in high performance CNC machining is dimensional stability, including quality of the surface, short machining time, adequate tool life, machine operation between ranges that is allowed by the machine supplier. So conclusion after test is that both new system, heat shrink and power grip are really equal, but much more better than old one. So the only way to choose proper system for the future is the economic factor.